I do have actual smoked wind deflectors for the front windows, but there's a twist and a controversy in the increasing mass debate on how you should fit these. Okay, left side first. I'm going to enjoy. Oh no, it's glued. It's glued in. No, no. Oh, that's lucky. Right, you can enjoy the controversy now. A great deal of skill and craftsmanship is required to remove these things. There you go. Camera didn't catch is when I grabbed the wind deflector and pulled it down really hard. My knuckles banged on the side of this glass really hard, but I didn't scream and I didn't cry. I was a good, strong boy. So these are the smoked deflectors that I ordered. There were two schools of thought. One, that these things clip to the outside, and another one that they go inside the window frame itself. Well, these won't require any smashing because these are the type that go inside the window frame. And look, you can see now the curve matches to fit all the way down. Right, might require a bit of... Oh, what the hell? Might require a bit of bending. Now, I demand to be taken seriously. So, let's see what I need to do to fit this wind deflector. So I've managed to bend this one in. Just a question of guiding it and sliding it. Guide and slide. Oh yeah. Splendid. And look, smoked. Yeah. How do I get rid of this bloody... Right, where were we? Yes, winding up things. Splendid. Yeah, that's it. Now, this side might require some skill as it was glued to the sheet steel on the outside there. So this will involve fingernail wedgings, fingernail wedgie there. That's a technical term. Wobblies, upsy downsies. Oh, you can just see the glue in there stretching but not breaking. I have some purchase in here. Yeah. Oh yes, 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 yes. Oh gosh. Oh. How much paint have we taken with us? Oh, that's a beauty. Yes. Now for the genuine article. I think it would be easier having done it before. And it is. He says. I can only assume that these are designed to be flexed without snapping. There, get it into the runner. And we're clear.
It was only an hour.
Satisfying. And of course, smoked. Acid test is, do they obstruct my field of view from the inside? No. And can I roll the window up? Yes. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, smoking. That was another massive day of improvements. If you want to see previous times I've attempted to tidy the van, including the original build there, some other tidy attempts there, subscribe there. See you in the next one. B-roll. Get out of here before the neighbours spot me.